guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to do Atlanta on a budget. So this weekend was my anniversary, and me and my husband, we did a whole lot of things in literally 2 days. So I'm going to show you how you could get the most for your money if you're here on a short visit or here just for the weekend in Atlanta. After the video is over, I am gonna come back and tell you my thoughts, what I would have done differently. Visited the zoo. We did the Coca-Cola factory. We did the CNN Center, and we did the aquarium. And we had a great time on a budget. All right, stay tuned. All right, let's get into it. First, you're going to go online and go to AtlantaCityPass.com. The City Pass is $76 for one adult. And this is a 41% discount that they're advertising at the moment. With this pass, you're able to see a lot of different things within 9 consecutive days. There are 5 places that you can visit: the Georgia Aquarium, the Coca-Cola factory, the CNN Center, the zoo or the National Center for Civil Human Rights, the Fernbank Museum, or the College Football Hall of Fame. So for 2 tickets with the discount, it's $152, and of course with taxes and stuff it comes up to $167 and some change. All you have to do is purchase this pass, and every time you go to an attraction, you basically just show them your pass, and that is it. Now I'm gonna give you a quick insight on the things that we explored while we were downtown. I hope you enjoy. want to try? You taking too much. Just do a little squirt. Try the Italy one. That's too much. You're pressing too much. Babe. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. That is too funny. So, don't try this one. hope you enjoyed that video. The few things I want to go over is, if you're trying to do Atlanta on a budget, the best thing to do is the City Pass. Make sure you get the Atlanta City Pass. With the Atlanta City Pass, you're able to do the Aquarium, the zoo, the CNN Center. You can do the Civil Rights Center and the College Football Hall of Fame. And you can also do the Fern Bank. All those things are available on the City Pass. Now, you do have to choose between the zoo and the Civil Center, I think. And then you have to choose between the Fern Bank and the College Hall of Fame. The rest of the other things they're on there. You don't have to choose. What I am going to suggest is, if you're in a hotel, or if you're going to book a hotel that's close to the Centennial Park area. And the reason why I'm saying that is because when you go to these hotels, you have to valet park. That's one fee, parking fee. Then you can literally walk to these sites. You can walk to these, what you want to call them, these activities. I would suggest also, if you can't do that, or if you're not gonna book a hotel and you're a regular person that lives in Atlanta, you can park at the Aquarium, the Georgia Aquarium. The Georgia Aquarium is only $12, and you can stay from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Those are the operating hours of the aquarium. If you happen to park at the Coca-Cola factory, it's $15, anything over 4 hours. If you get the City Pass, you are gonna honestly do more than 4 hours downtown. So my advice to you would be, just park at the aquarium, so you only have to pay $12. Also, the Coca-Cola factory is literally right across the street from the Civil Center, and the aquarium is literally a 5-minute walk. I mean, you could literally see the aquarium from the Coca-Cola factory as well, but it's probably like a 5-minute walk to that. Also, when you're finished with that, you can walk through the Centennial Park, and then you'll come upon the CNN Center. Of course, while you're in the Centennial Park, you can take pictures, you can look at all the different statues that's in the park, and then there's also the Ferris wheel that's right in front of Centennial Park. So that's another thing that you can do while you're visiting Atlanta. And a great way to do that is, you could go on Groupon and get a pass, or like a discounted ticket for the Ferris wheel on Groupon. So that's another money saver right there. And when you go to the CNN Center, if you realize I didn't record that much because they told us we couldn't record when you go to certain place within certain parts of the tour, because they may be doing live broadcasting, and you're actually going into the CNN Center. You're actually going into the center, so you're seeing them work while you're doing the tour. What else? Also, I would recommend that you guys buy the pictures that they take of you when you're getting ready to go into the CNN Center. I had a great time with the pictures, because the pictures make you feel like you're a newscaster. Those pictures are memories. So I really prefer those pictures, in my opinion, this is all my opinion. I prefer those pictures over the Georgia Aquarium pictures, because they really make you feel like you're a newscaster. So what else do I have to tell you guys? I think I hope I was able to help you guys save some money, and I hope you enjoy these tips, and I hope you enjoy Atlanta when you visit. Until the next video, bye.